Hi everyone, welcome to Chappus Chops. Today I am going to show you a very famous and well-known dish called Baingan Ka Bharta. This is kind of a smoked eggplant dish made in almost every household. It seems complicated, but in fact it's a pretty easy recipe. So let's not waste any more time and head to the kitchen. Alright, let's go over the ingredient. First you will need the main ingredient, a big eggplant about the size, our dry spices that we usually use, 1 cup of boiled peas, 2 medium onion chopped, 1 tablespoon of garlic, ginger and chili paste that we always use, 2 grated tomatoes, and half a lemon, some oil and some salt. To prepare the eggplant, poke some holes into it using a knife. Be careful not to cut yourself here. Next, wrap it in some aluminum foil and now we will cook it over the stove. So turn on your stove on about medium high and simply place your eggplant in the aluminum foil on top of it. Using some tongs, you can flip the eggplant every 2 minutes or so. While this is going, I am going to put this on the back burner and let's get the tadka started. Let's grab our pan and put it on the stove on a medium flame. Don't forget about the eggplant in the bag. Make sure you are rotating it regularly. As our pan gets hot on a medium heat, let's add about a half a cup of oil. Next, let's add 2 teaspoons of cumin seeds. Don't forget about your eggplant in the bag. Let this brown a little bit. Mix the cumin seeds around. You don't want them to burn. I know this looks like a lot of oil, but it's the appropriate amount given the ingredient we are using. Now let's add the onion to our tadka. Mix everything in and cook this mixture until the onion becomes transparent. I'm going to add some salt to help the onion sweat a little. Remember to keep flipping the eggplant in the back. Now that our onion have become a transparent, we will add our green chili, garlic and ginger paste. At least you have to take a 2 tablespoons. Cook this for about a minute or so, or until it starts sticking to the bottom. Flip the eggplant. Be careful. Next, let's add grated tomatoes and mix it all in. This is a great recipe because there is not a lot of ingredient, but the end result seems like you have put a lot of effort into it. Let this cook for a few minutes. Mix it well, stir it well, see it will not stick. Okay, now that our tadka has been cooking for a while, it's time to add all of our dry spices. Put a red chili, it's a Kashmiri chili, half teaspoon, and half teaspoon of turmeric, and 2 teaspoon is a coriander, and this is a hot chili. You can put 1 teaspoon only. Okay, now mix it all together, and you can see this oil is come out surrounding. Now we can put a piece and the green onions. I put them in the same bowl even though you can't really see it there. Mix it all together. Let's add a little salt and let it cook for 2 minutes on medium low. Okay, while the tadka is wrapping up, let's check on our eggplant. I have taken it off the stove. Please be careful here and don't burn yourself. It's going to be really hot. Remove the aluminum foil. Use tongs or a fork so that you don't burn yourself. I know it looks burnt, but this is the color you are looking for. Don't worry, though we are going to remove all of this burnt skin. I'm going to cut it open. Take the top off, split it open, and then using a spoon, I'm going to scrape off the pearl. Let me remove this off camera and I will come back when it's all done. As you can see, I have removed all the skin and separated the pulp. Let's bring back our tadka on a medium heat and add the eggplant that you cooked. Mix this around. You want some of the stringiness to still be present. Don't try to break it all up or you will lose that texture that's big part of the dish. So there you have it. Your eggplant Baingan Ka Bharta is ready. You can serve this with some chapati or any kind of flat bread and enjoy. So that was the Baingan Ka Bharta. If you like this video, please like, share or subscribe and I will see you in the next video. Bye.